Just like that, we're done painting. Took a little longer than usual, but that looks good. All that. Winter Way, Alabaster. Winter Way, Alabaster. Now, one thing I will say about this is super paint sucks, and I'm not using that no more. It's either gonna be, what is it called? Latitude or Resilience. No more super paint exterior for me. That blue did not go well. It's 2 coats on there, plus I had to do an extra coat, 3rd coat of Latitude on this side. This side right here, let me show you. Once again, all done. All done. Winter Way in Alabaster. Yep, and we are officially done with this house. Completely washed and painted. So let's flip this around and show you what we got. Painted, painted, painted. Here to get my ladders, but everything else is completely done. Ran into a major issue on this side of the wall. This side looked terrible before we repainted it. Insert picture here. And now it looks amazing. This thing looks good. I mean, there was, like the dew dried on it and made its way down. Like somebody threw something up there and just dripped all down. Looks a billion times better. So let's go over the paint. All right, first set of paint, super paint. It did okay, but this side of the wall that took all the beating from the weather, sun, rain, everything, heat, this did not do well after all. Reached out to my paint rep. I said, hey man, that's not working for me. You got something else? And he got me this, Latitude. If you know anything about paints, this here is along the same line of Resilience, which is a good tier paint. From bottom to top, it's A100, super paint, Resilience, Latitude. Then it goes Duration, then it goes Emerald. But this is along the same lines of Resilience. This allows you to paint in hot, 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 or cold, cold, cold. So the owner just came out and said, 2 to 3 separate people came to her and said, man, this looks good. And it does. But yeah, but on this side right here, you saw me insert the video, or the picture I should say, but it looked like it was dripping. It looked like somebody went up there and just smeared it. And after talking to my paint rep, told me to try Latitude. Latitude did the job. I am a fan of Latitude moving forward. A fan of it. But he said it probably could have been due to just Mother Nature. Not even the paint failing, just Mother Nature. So, got it cleared up, good to go. So we're gonna take another run around just to show you what it looks like. Nice neighborhood. This is a very nice neighborhood. What can go wrong will go wrong. Paint just fell.